Ni guys, kaperting inita jud, nakalimot ko sa kong kao. I forgot my hat. But here we are again. Hello, good morning Philippines. And it is almost, I think, approximately 5 p.m. About to. So guys, tingnan mo, bird twerk. So guys, I'm here. So bright because it's very hot. It's a warm day today. So I'm walking towards over there. I don't know, maybe I go there. I'll go there. So yun guys. So ano natin yung ha. Let me switch the camera here. Okay guys, kita nyo guys, balik-balik ako dito. Kasi I have run errands yesterday. So today, I'm going to walk again. So I set up my time already. And good morning world. And i-check natin yung airplane natin dito, okay? Kasi I'm doing inventory. Make sure nothing missing. Joking lang. Joking. Ito yung airplane ko guys. So, nagtulo-tulo na yung ano yan? Fluids? Oil? Something like that. So, alahanin nyo guys ha. Napalibutan ako ng mga airplano dito. Pero, doon ako sa kabila. Tapos dito, then I go round there. Okay guys, ang init. Makaya kaya. Baka isang round lang tayo nito. Kasi hanggang dito pa yan. Same area. Layo pa doon guys. Oh. Naka leggings. Di pa nga nakarating. Kasi 2 days in a row, I didn't walk. But it's really nice to walk, you know. Nakahelp kasi yung pero ang init. Na naman yung natin ito, skin tag, mag-skin tag yung face natin. Pero ang bata, sana dinala ko yung hat. Kasi yung init nandito sa mukha ko guys.